For the 3rd generation Toyota Tacoma, all you want to do is lift up your glove box here, and inside you can see that there's a nice little compartment. Just want to lift it up. Comes out nice and easy. So you can see there's 2 tabs. There's 1 tab on the right and 1 tab on the left. Pull them in. This will drop out. And you can see we've got a couple leaves in the air filter. For the new one, you can see that it says this side up. So all you want to do is do the same thing. Slide it in there. Close it back up. You want to hear that little clicking noise? You can even pull the casing to make sure it's in there correctly. Put the nice black door back on. Just have it placed up a little bit higher. Then all you'll do is just slide it down and it locks into place. You can also pull on this and you can see it's in there nice and good. Put your stuff back in and now you're going to be breathing fresh air in your cabin.